Hey! Try lige and look here!
What is it?
It's December! It's not jul again!
You have right. Have you heard, Günther? It's not jul again.
What?
It's not jul again.
It's væk!
Nej, it's not jul again.
No, it's my knife. It's væk! When did you have it sidst? In the last julekalender. Maybe I have tapped it in a flyvemaskine. And so what? It's just a knife. But it was my father's knife. He gave it to me when I was a little nisse. Oh yes. But what can we do about it?
I'm thinking. I'm thinking. I'm done with thinking. Listen, Günther and Hansi. I have a plan. Let's take to big to find Günther's knife. Simple hand.
That's a good plan, Fritz. Isn't it a little bit and just a little bit too undetailed?
Do you think you can make it better?
No, altså...
Good. We have a plan. Let's straks komme afsted.
Kom lige herover. Here is the book. I think you should have it with again. And here is the land card. It's the allerlast havl, der overhovedet findes.
Yes, but weren't the last howl?
Yes, but it's a reservehavl. You can use it when you're far vild.
When? Let's straks komme afsted.
Yes.
Have a good gammel.
Thanks, and you too.
Hvad nisserne ikke ved, er, at der sidenhen er bygget en efterskole på det sted, hvor hulen ligger. Og forstanderinden på skolen, Christel Aagaard, bor ikke langt derfra med sin mand Helge, som også arbejder på skolen.
Hej Christel. Hej Helge. Christel, jeg tænkte om vi ikke snart skal have, til jul, om vi ikke snart skal have pyntet op til jul, fordi jeg tænkte på, at fordi vi kan jo hellere gøre hellere for tidligt, end til vi slet ikke får det gør, du ved.
Ja, det er fint, Helge.
Oh no, that's simpelthen too much!
Yes, the flyvemaskine is shut down again. What's that?
I don't know. Let's see if we can find that howl. Günther, lys! I don't understand it.
What?
It stands that the howl should be in that building.
Then let's go in and look after.
Oh, ja, kom.
That's not a good howl. No, Günther, it's not the howl. Think it a little about.
But where's that howl else?
I don't know. Maybe it's under the floor.
I think you're right. Let's take a look after.
Yes.
I think it's this way. This way goes down. Hey, I think it's this way. Yeah, Hansi.
Yes. This look more like a howl. Yes.
Well, it's been a long day. Let's take it little more now. Then we can find the knife tomorrow.
Yes, let's slap off.
Hey! You also said that in the last julekalender. It was here in afsnit 2. Do you remember?
No.
No.
Se her, Christian. Se, jeg har tænkt mig at lave sådan en julehjert her. Sådan en fin julehjert der, du ved, sådan et, hvor man fletter, du ved, hvor man, du ved, man skal skiftevis ligge til se, det er ikke helt let, men jeg tænker, med den hjerne her, så tror jeg, jeg kan finde ud af. Christian, ved du hvad? Jeg ønsker mig sådan en julegave.
Ja, det er fint, Helge.
Ja.
Finder nisserne mon kniven? Kan Helge mon lave et julehjerte helt selv? Følg med i morgen.